Okay, in exercise 6E, we got to make sure we have our OSNAP center, intersection, node, endpoint, and quadrant. We're going to be drawing these parts up here, and then we're going to be putting it together to form this picture down here. It's really important that we use our OSNAPs on this so that they can get in there in the correct place. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this one. So click on line, turn on your ortho, and go ahead and click on line and then go 1, enter. Okay, let's go ahead and get my settings correct first. So I said we're going to do endpoint, center, node, quadrant. We don't need nearest. Okay, so again, endpoint, center, node, quadrant. Okay, after we get that first line, let's just go ahead and copy it so we have two of them. Okay, let's get another line here. 1, enter. Copy that. Okay, let's take a look at the size of the circles we're going to need. 0.5, 1, and 1.5. And then also 0.13. So let's get those taken care of. So circle, 0.5, repeat circle, 1, repeat circle, 1.5. We also have to have 8 little ones here, so just go 0.13, and then we're going to copy these guys. So just go ahead and copy it so we have 8 of them. Oops, I'll get the other one here. Okay, and then also we have to have a point. Okay, so it looks like we got things ready to be put together. So again, let's double check our OSNAPs to make sure we have what we need to have. Center, intersection, node, endpoint, and quadrant. So let's go back here. Looks like I'm missing the intersection. Okay, so it's the first one, skip one, then it's the next 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this together. I'm going to use the copy button. Copy this point, bring it down. Copy this first circle here. I'm going to bring it down to the node. Copy the next circle. I'm grabbing it from the center and taking it to the node. Copying the circle. I'm going to grab it from the center. I'm taking it to the node. Alright, let's go ahead and copy this line right here. I'm going to be grabbing this from the endpoint, and I'm going to be zooming in over here, and I'm going to put it right on the quadrant. Okay, let's go and get the other one. Copy it again, grab it from the endpoint, move it to the quadrant. Get the vertical lines now. Copy, grab it from the endpoint, take it to the quadrant. Go ahead and copy it again, grab it this time from the top, and bring it down to the quadrant. Now we got to go ahead and put these small circles in here. So I'll just go ahead and copy one of them, grab it from the center, and go ahead and stick it here on the endpoints. Right there, and another one right there. Okay, now pay attention for this part. We got to copy this circle, and I'm going to grab it from the quadrant and take it to the endpoint. So it looks like that. Okay, so the one over here now, copy, grab it from the quadrant, take it to the endpoint. Same thing for over here. Copy, grab it from the quadrant, take it to the endpoint. And for the bottom part, copy, grab it from the quadrant, take it to the endpoint. And that looks like we have it. Turn on my grids, make sure everything's in there. Looks good. Let's see, we have to put in some of our text. So these right here are actually dimension radiuses. Okay, so here's how we do that for those circles. We're going to go, dimensions are in dim. You go dimension, radius. You click on a circle and bring that out. Repeat radius, bring that one out. Repeat radius, bring that one out. So we got those three taken care of. I also have to do this one, so let's go back and do that one real quick. Dimension radius, right there. Okay, now these other lines, or rather the other text, these are this one and this one, they're multiliters. So we can just go ahead and go dimension multiliter, go and start here. And then it says lines 1 inch long. Okay. Lines 1 inch long. Okay. And then we got to do point one. This one point says just point. So dimension multiliter. And just go like this. T point. And Z enter, A enter. And looks like we're done with that one.